Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good quiche. First, let's talk about the crust. The secret to a perfect quiche starts with a flaky, tender crust. Always use very cold butter, cut into small pieces, and work quickly to prevent it from warming up. After mixing, chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. Then, blind bake the crust until it's golden brown to ensure it stays crisp once the filling is added. Next, we create the heart of the quiche, the creamy egg custard. For the best results, combine whole eggs with a mix of milk and heavy cream. This blend provides incredible richness and a silky texture. Season your custard generously with salt and freshly ground pepper, and feel free to add a pinch of nutmeg. Remember to whisk gently to avoid creating too many air bubbles, which can lead to a less smooth finish. Now for the fun part, choosing your fillings. The key is to prepare them properly. If you're using vegetables, sauté them first to remove excess moisture. This prevents your quiche from becoming watery. Aim for about 1.5 cups of total fillings for a standard 9-inch quiche. Always grate your cheese yourself for better flavor and a smoother melt. Distribute your chosen ingredients evenly in the blind-baked crust before pouring in the custard. Finally, let's bake and serve your masterpiece. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the center is just set and a knife inserted near the middle comes out clean. This usually takes 40 to 50 minutes. The top should be beautifully golden brown. Once baked, it's crucial to let the quiche rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the custard to fully set, ensuring perfect, clean slices every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.